What we have here is the Honda EX650, little lightweight portable generator. It had a seized exhaust valve, and after many trials and tribulations I was able to get a hold of Tony and Peter over in Nottingham in the United Kingdom, over in England. You can find them by googling Honda EX650 United Kingdom or UK. These guys are experts, and we're going to go ahead and give this thing a chance to fire up. I put a little bit of gas into her. Now I'm going to put it on choke and see what we get. Nothing. Holy cow. One little pull, plenty of compression. Probably got to burn off a little bit of the gunk I left behind, the oil in the exhaust chamber.